The main stock exchange in Poland is the Warsaw Stock Exchange, WSE, and was founded in 1817. The State Treasury established the WSE as a joint stock enterprise. The Treasury owns a 35% stake in the company. Shares, bonds, subscription rights, allotments and derivatives such as futures, options and index participation units are all traded on the WSE. At the end of June 2017, the capitalization of 432 local businesses listed on the main market totaled PLN 645 billion, 152.6 billion euros. At the end of June 2017, the total market capitalization of 483 domestic and international businesses listed on the GPW Main Market was PLN 1,316.5 billion, 311.5 billion euros. There are 15 indices on the Warsaw Stock Exchange: the WIG, the WIG-20, WIG-30, MWIG-40 and SWIG-80. The sector indices are WIG-BANKI, WIG-BUDOW, WIG-CHEMIA, WIG-DEWEL, WIG-ENERG, WIG-INFO, WIG-MEDIA, WIG-PALIWA, WIG-PL, WIG-SPOZYW, WIG-SUROWCE and WIG-TELKOM. The listings on the exchange are denominated in Polish zlotys. Poland's economy is an industrialised mixed economy with a developed market ranking 6th in the European Union and first among the former Eastern Bloc members of the EU. Since 1988, Poland has pursued an economic liberalisation policy, and it now stands as the greatest success story of all the post-communist states of Europe. Its economy was the only one in the EU to avoid recession during the 2007-8 economic downturn, and the Polish economy has been growing steadily for the past 28 years, a record high in the EU and only surpassed by Australia in the world. At purchasing power parity, GDP per capita has increased by 6% each year on average. The service sector accounts for the majority of the country's economy, 62.3%, followed by industry, 34.2%, and agriculture, 3.5%. Poland's economic foundation was centred on the coal, textile, chemical, mechanical, iron and steel sectors prior to World War II. Fertilisers, petrochemicals, machine tools, electrical machinery, electronics, automobile manufacturing and shipbuilding are now all part of it. The Polish Financial Supervision Authority oversees the banking industry in Poland, PFSA. During the 1992-97 transition to a market economy, the government privatised some banks, recapitalised the remainder and implemented legal changes to make the industry more competitive. These changes, as well as the sector's overall health and relative stability, attracted a number of important international investors. Despite the fact that Poland's economy is catching up to that of Western Europe, the pace remains gradual. Poland has managed to pass Portugal in terms of social progress so far. There is a lot of difference between regions. Unless a so-called real estate clause in a relevant tax treaty applies or stocks are listed, non-residents are not liable to tax in Poland on gains on the sale of shares in a Polish firm. Every deal involving a real estate company should be thoroughly scrutinised. Information on Polish stocks is widely available. The European Economic Sentiment Indicators provides a great deal of information on Polish stocks, as well as the Central Statistics Office of Poland. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.